Hi, I'm Matthew Dobler. I'm an attorney in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, with a special focus on safety. Every week here in Allegheny County, they fill up the largest courtroom in the criminal courthouse with folks who are charged with DUIs. I'm always struck by how sad it is to see these ordinary people turned into criminal defendants. Of course, the best way to avoid a DUI is not to drink and drive. And today, I want to review a service that's being offered in Pittsburgh aimed at exactly that, helping you avoid driving after you've been drinking. It's called paratransportation. The general idea is that you drive your own car to the bar. When you're finished enjoying yourself, this outfit meets you there. One of their drivers drives you and your friends in your car, and the other driver follows behind you. When you get home, the first driver parks your car in your driveway, and then he gets in the other car with the other driver, and they go on their way. How does it work? There's really not much more to the mechanics than the general concept. Sometime in advance of your event, you log on to their website. You tell them when and where you need to be picked up. The night of your event, you get a text message from your driver. It's usually about 1 hour in advance of the scheduled pickup time. And the rest goes pretty much as advertised. There are a couple of hiccups inherent with the process, though, that you should be aware of. First, they only offer this service on Friday and Saturday nights, along with a couple of other select nights throughout the year, like New Year's Eve. But if you're looking for a ride home from the Steelers tailgate or a Wednesday night poker game, you're probably out of luck. Second, the service is somewhat inflexible. It's not a taxi service. You cannot call them the night of the event and expect to get picked up. You need to make your plans in advance. And when you make your plans, you need to commit to a half-hour window of a pickup time. Finally, you need to make sure that your insurance is in order. The guys at the pair claim that your own automobile insurance policy will cover them driving your car. Now, I don't specialize in insurance law, so I'm certainly not willing to attest that what they're saying is correct. But one thing is for sure. If your insurance card isn't up to date or your coverage has lapsed, they shouldn't be driving your car. And that would be an unpleasant lesson to learn in the parking lot of a bar at midnight after you've had a few drinks. So make sure that you check it out beforehand. The last issue to discuss is the cost. The pair charges you a flat fee of $20 plus $2.50 per mile. It's expensive, and they've recently raised their rates. It's certainly more than a taxi fare, but you only have to pay going one way. So if you consider the entire cost of a round trip, it's probably about the same. For a trip out to one of Pittsburgh's suburbs, it's probably accurate to estimate that the fare will be between $30 and $80. They'll quote you a price in advance, so there's no surprises, and you can pay with cash or with a credit card, which is nice. What the website really doesn't spell out is how much to tip. But the reality is that the drivers are very pleased with the tip in the neighborhood of $15 to $20. So in sum, paratransportation is a great solution to the vexing problem of enjoying yourself in Pittsburgh without risking a DUI. Its service is limited to Friday and Saturday nights. You have to be willing to commit to your plans in advance, and it's expensive. But even if you get rides from the pair frequently, it's still certainly cheaper than the several thousands of dollars that you would spend to resolve a DUI. For more information, check out their website at www.thepaircares.com. Now, I don't think that anything that I've said in this video is legal advice, but ethics rules require me to specifically state that you should not rely on anything I've said as legal advice unless and until we form an attorney-client relationship, which obviously did not happen by you watching an internet video. If, however, you have a legal issue that you would like to discuss, I would be happy to talk about it with you. In addition to DUI defense, I can help with other criminal defense issues, medical malpractice, or any issue where somebody's broken a safety rule. Feel free to give me a call at 412-467-6475. I'm Matthew Dobler, and thank you for watching this review of Pear Transportation.